I'd like you to know that Hurricane Ida, she spread destruction across 9 states and 5 regions, and it ended right here. And what we saw today was absolutely heartbreaking, the amount of damage and destruction that these families have experienced.
And death.
The president has declared a major disaster declaration for this area, as well as Bronx, Queens, Richmond, Brooklyn, and Westchester.
This disaster declaration is exactly what we need, but now comes the part of getting everyone the money they deserve. The city is going to send teams out to all affected areas, door to door, to make sure people sign up, to cut through the red tape. People need money and they need it quick.
Thanks for watching Bloomberg Quicktake Now. Subscribe to our channel to see the biggest stories the moment they happen from around the world. And tune into our 24/7 live stream for global news coverage, interviews, deep dives, shows, and documentaries on the stories you care about most.